Hello and welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be part of the On the Way to 27 playlist, where this is a year-long quest to get 90% or better stick rate. I am right now, this would be test number 17. This is test number 17. Yep. So the idea was, initially that was just an idea of 30 throws, get 90% or better stick rate, which meant 27 sticks. Oh yeah, okay, so that's why I named the playlist On the Way to 27. Then I realized that if I do one test per fortnight or every 2 weeks, it is going to be 26 videos. So On the Way to 27, 27th video is the conclusion video. Sweet, that's a double meaning. And then also, I mean, this is year 2026, so on the way to next year. So I'm going to conclude this playlist within this year. So triple meaning, on the way to 27. Also, I would like to do this, or I'm doing this with my old favorite screwdrivers, which are falling to pieces. So the 3 of them, as you can tell, I just put new electrical tape on 2 of these. 3 of them are getting seriously damaged from Robin Hooding, which is when a screwdriver hitting another one's already stuck in the board. Now these are no longer available, so I can't buy any more, but I have enough to last me this year, maybe 2 more years, I don't know, whatever. I lose average 1 or 2 of these type of screwdrivers due to handle breakage. Okay, now this fortnightly play or video thing is not going to work going forward to finish it within this year, because I have to finish by mid-November or early to mid-November. I almost have to do a video once a week. I just realized I'm running out of time. I haven't done a video for about 3 weeks, I think. I've been practicing, but yeah, my average kind of flattened out on about 80, somewhere between 80 to 85% average. Okay, not the best. The best offs are like 1 miss out of 30 or 2 miss out of 30. I haven't had a perfect set yet. Actually, I think I had a perfect set during one of the training sessions, which is, I think it's on video, but not never since. So I might have to do a test video once a week in order to finish what I set out for myself. Okay, now yes, it is unmodified flathead screwdrivers, 6 sets of 5 throws, 30 throws together. The distance is 3.2 meter, just to ensure that even if I step in a little bit, I'm still beyond the 3 meter mark, which is the minimum mark for a certain challenge. It's used to be an international challenge. The rules are simple. I can't retrieve them until I finish a set of 5, and if they fall out or another one knocks it out, that class is a fail. Yeah, let's do this. So yeah, all 5 unmodified. Right, reset counter. So the counter is there from my warm-up, which was a 3 out of 30 miss. that's 2 sets so far. That was set number 4. This is where the nerves starts to set in, because the tests are non-repeatable. So today, that's it. This is test number 17. Doesn't matter, no matter what happens. So test conditions always give me this little bit of buzz, but also, where am I going to miss? Am I going to miss it now? I only got 1 miss so far. I got 10 more throws. And now it is really settling in. It's like, okay, how badly I'm going to mess this up. I have a chance to have something good on video here. Like, see, that's what happens. Awesome. So that's 2 miss out of 30, which puts it at 93%. And this is great. This is actually really good. Yeah, these are just unmodified flathead screwdrivers. Thanks for watching.